Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Haas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use take folders. Take folders are a must when recording any type of audio track, vocals, guitars, bass, any instrument. It's where you can take multiple takes and it will stack them right on top of each other, and you can pick each part from each take that you did that you like the most, and then it connects them all together at the very top, and then you can flatten and merge that and make it one permanent take. It's a must. Like, I do it every single time I record audio. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. And so what this is instead of like how I used to always record a track, and if I didn't get it right, I re-erase it and I do it over again. I just do that all day long and never get anywhere, okay? Or I just make separate tracks and record a track and then record another one, and I take those and splice them and drop them all in one track together, and then that would just take all day also, okay? And then you got to do crossfades and all that stuff on it, which is cool too, but you don't need that with Logic Pro. You've got take folders. So when you record over a spot and then you record over that again and you keep doing that, it'll save each take. By click on this real quick, double click on the top of this, and these are each take. So I did this first take and then I had a cycle, so it started again. I took another take, another take, another take. I did 8 takes, and that's overdoing it, but still. Okay, so by making a take folder, now what I can do is I can take each piece of each take that I like, and it'll put them together for me, okay? Now you can go and you can actually pick each parts instead of just picking one, because that you'll go nuts just trying to record a perfect take all the time, okay? So you do this, but there's another tool that's not always turned on for you, so check this out. So now you'll hear it. It'll go from this track to this track, but check this out. You're gonna probably hear a click. Hear that click? Do you hear that click right there? This click right here, bam. The click right there, bam. That's going to happen no matter what, unless you turn on something in the settings. You got to turn on something so it does the crossfade naturally for you, okay? So we're going to go to the settings, and we're going to go to audio, and then we're going to go to editing, and this crossfade time right here, we're going to have to turn that up to about 5 milliseconds. The crossfade curve, leave it at 0. And sometimes this is on already, these, and sometimes they aren't. Mine wasn't, and I had to figure it out. And so it sucks without it, okay? So next, let me hit play, and I'll show you the difference now. Let me redo this. Okay, so say I like this take right here, and I like this take right there, and then I like this take right down here. Check this out. See these crossfades? Let me see these crossfades that it did naturally for me. It's crossfading. And oh, by the way, each take that you've got here, this is your final take at the top, that it puts all these together at this top one right here, okay? That's what's going on. So check this out. You're not going to hear it click anymore. Nothing. Okay? The only clicking you're hearing is from my bass. When you slap it, click, you hit my bass. But this is how this works. It's sick, dude. Like, it's one of my favorite things. I've got, I do this all day long. Like, I really enjoy take folders. I've got a bunch here. I've got a gazillion there. That's way too many. But yeah, it is what it is, man. So yeah, so I do this with everything, and then one other thing I didn't show you real quick. This is really cool. So once you're done and you found, oops, is this the one I was on? Yeah, this is. So say you've got the take folder how you want it, okay, and you're done with it, and you're for sure gonna keep this take folder here, okay. So you're gonna take, you like the take that you've comped it, okay. So now what you're gonna do is close this bad boy, and then you're gonna go up to this A right here, click on that, and go down to flatten and merge, okay. That is going to flatten and merge it, and now it's done. You don't have to mess with it anymore. Now you can go through and edit it and slice it up and stuff like that. Use your marquee tool or split regions and copy, paste, all that stuff. When it's still in a track stack, you're not going to be able to do this, okay? So I hope it was helpful, guys. It was a lot of fun. I tried to keep it under 5 minutes. I hope it'll probably be a little bit over, but that's life. I'll see you guys.